පහුගිය සඳුදා අපේ රටේ ආරක්ෂාවටත් ආර්ථිකයටත්
The cabinet has approved a cabinet paper that will have dangerous consequences to the security and the economy of the country. An agreement has been signed between the Secretary to the Finance Minister, S.R. Artikala, and a company called New Fortress in the US. This government is attempting to hand over the Keralapitia Yugadanavi power plant, the pipeline system, the gas supply, and the storage facilities to an American company. There is no significant market for power in Sri Lanka. Therefore, the one that takes over power in Sri Lanka will take over the country as well. Now, cabinet approval has been sought to hand over 40% of shares of the Keralapitia Yugadanavi power plant, which is currently owned by 4 state-owned entities and the National Treasury, to an American company. There is a 300 megawatt LNG power plant constructed near the Keralapitia Yugadanavi power plant. That is a part of the Keralapitia power plant as well. Altogether, there are 600 megawatts when the two power plants are combined. The government is planning to increase the capacity of these power plants to 1000 megawatts by 2025.
බලාගාරයේ 140ක් තමයි ඇමරිකානු සමාගමකට පවරා දෙන්න හදන්නේ. විදුලි බල මණ්ඩලයේ සමග තිබෙන ගිවිසුම් අනුව
According to the agreement reached with the Ceylon Electricity Board, the power plant will be solely owned by the CEB by 2035. All US citizens of this government, including the finance minister, have taken steps to hand over the Keralapitia Yugadanavi power plant to the United States. An international tender has been called for the construction of a pipeline system to supply gas to all power plants across the country. Tenders were called for the construction of a floating storage facility as well. It is against such a backdrop where tenders have been called for such construction projects that this government has decided to hand over the pipeline and the floating storage facility to the United States. This American company will supply the gas needed for the next 5 years. I would like to question Minister of Power Dallas Alahappiruma whether he is aware of this, whether he has seen the cabinet paper, or whether he saw it only after he went and sat at the cabinet meeting. Usually an opportunity is given to the subject minister to carry out an inspection in these kinds of matters. As far as I know, Dallas Alahappiruma requested an inspection period earlier on. They carried out an inspection for 24 hours, but the cabinet paper is given approval.
ඒ පැය 24 කාලය තුළත මේගොල්ලෝ නිරීක්ෂණය යවනවා. හැබැයි අර ඉදිරිපත් කරපු කැබිනට් පත්‍රිකාවම අනුමත කරනවා. මේමයි සිද්ධ වෙලා. මැදමුලනි සොහොයුරන්ට අයිති දේපලක් විකුණනවා වගේ.
The Keralapitia Yugadanavi power plant, which is an integral part in our country's security and economy, the pipeline system and the floating storage facility are going to be handed over to the Americans like selling off a property in Madamulana to one of your own. There are some in the government faction who vehemently oppose the conduct of the United States. Have they become obedient creatures under the rule of the Rajapaksas? These local Americans have given the supply of power to the Americans on a silver platter. That is why we stressed as to why these US citizens are running for the presidential seat and enter parliament and is sworn in as the Minister of Finance. Their ulterior motive is to sell off our national assets to the United States.
වෙන මොකටවත් නෙවෙයි අපේ මේ රටේ ජාතික සම්පත් ඇමරිකානු සමාගමයට පවරා දීම සඳහා තිබුණු යටි සැලසුම් අනුව. අපි දැනගන්න කැමති මේ මාධ්‍යවේදීන්.
I would like to ask the journalists who are present here whether they spoke of such a cabinet paper being approved at any of these cabinet meetings. Did they say in parliament that they have already signed an agreement in this regard? No. We urge the government to revoke this cabinet paper, call off this agreement which has been reached between the Secretary to the Ministry of Finance and the Fortress Energy in the United States. That company could have submitted bids for the tender, but instead they carried out underhand deals with the Rajapaksas. This entire project is filled with corruption. If the cabinet approves a cabinet paper that was not subject to inspection, that cabinet is filled with puppets. That is the case anyway. It can clearly be seen that this cabinet is one that dances to the tunes of a family rule. If there is even one cabinet minister who loves this country, please come forward before the people of this country and say whether you are against or in favor of the approval that has been given to this cabinet paper.
ඔබ එකඟද කියන කරුණක් රට ඉදිරිපත් කරන්න කියලා අපි කැබිනට් මණ්ඩලයේ ඇමතුරුන්ට කියන කැමතියි.